Keeping your convertible car's roof clean and maintained is important for its look and performance. With the right tools and care, your roof will stay in great shape and last for years. A convertible fabric top cleaning kit provides all the necessary tools and products to clean and protect your convertible roof. The 303 products convertible fabric top cleaning and care kit include convertible top cleaner to remove stubborn stains, while fabric guard restores oil and water repellency. This kit helps protect against soiling and staining, adding years of life to your convertible top. Start by thoroughly washing the roof of your convertible to remove any dirt and debris, ensuring the surface is clean and free of particles that could scratch the material. Then spray a roof cleaner evenly across the entire roof, ensuring full coverage. Use a soft sponge or a soft bristle brush to gently scrub the surface in a circular motion. Be sure to pay extra attention to any areas with stubborn spots or buildup. After cleaning, rinse the roof thoroughly with a pressure washer, making sure to remove all the cleaner. Then allow the roof to dry completely. Once the roof is dry, take a lint roller to remove any small particles or debris that may have become embedded in the surface. Next, apply a protective roof spray to protect roof from water and dirt. Lightly mist the spray onto the roof with a microfiber cloth. Let the roof dry completely, making sure to keep it out of the rain or water for at least 24 to 48 hours. After the drying period, check the roof to see if it has developed hydrophobic properties. By following these steps, you will easily keep your convertible roof clean, protected, and in great condition. The convertible top cleaner and protectant kit clean, restores, and protect your roof, keeping it clean and well maintained. The Chemical Guys convertible top cleaner and protectant kit clean and protect your convertible top. It helps keep it safe from dirt, stains, and UV damage. Use a pressure washer to spray the car roof to remove any surface dirt and debris. Then, spray the Chemical Guys roof cleaner onto a small section of the roof, and use a soft bristle brush to scrub the surface gently for a few minutes. After scrubbing, rinse the section thoroughly with the pressure washer, making sure all the cleaner is washed off. Move to the next section, apply the cleaner, and repeat the scrubbing and rinsing process. Continue working in small sections to ensure the entire roof is cleaned properly. Once you have cleaned the entire roof, rinse again to remove any remaining cleaner. Afterward, allow the roof to dry completely, and then apply the Chemical Guys protectant to shield it from dirt, stains, and UV damage. This will keep the roof looking good and help it last longer. By following these easy steps, you will keep your convertible roof in great shape for longer, helping it look good and perform well.